Right, what I'm saying is, can you
Yes, sir?
see my screen? You can see my screen?
No, sir. You stopped sharing.
I didn't stop. I stopped.
Yeah,
I didn't stop.
it's
I'm sharing again.
yes, sir. I can see now.
All right, I will go straight to I sent the answers for section B. Did you see them?
Yes, sir.
You saw the answers?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me just open here. Right, it's written section B. All right. I'll go straight to the graph. All right, slightly I'm going to change the equation. Maybe it can help you understand. Is it okay if I change, or I'll just use the same equation?
You can change it, sir, if you want.
Yeah, because I want to help you so that you have some knowledge. But I'm not going to use this equation. I'll just use a slightly different one. Please, if you practice, you get all the marks. Okay, here's a copy and complete the table. You have to complete this table. And then you can write the coordinates somewhere. I'm just erasing all this because it will be.
Should I write on my graph book, sir?
Yes, you should prepare yourself, even with this Cartesian plane. Get prepared, must have it ready. No need to wait for tomorrow. Just prepare it. Keep it ready, okay?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes. Right, now, look at this. I'm just going to block this one. Oh, it doesn't want to be blocked. I want it to block. Okay, I'll just write on top of it.
Sir, because I was confused, sir. Because you were saying like -3 plus -2 equals -5 -5.
So it means if you are confused with that, it means let's just do this one. Because if I do another one, you'll still be confused. All right, okay. All right, look at this.
Yes,
we are saying where there is x, this is our equation. Where there is x, you put what? -3. So I'll write this equation as y is equal to -3 and -2. What is the answer?
1, sir.
It's not 1.
Oh, no.
So
5.
These signs are the same. Look at this. Even if I use a calculator, it's not 1. You get it? It's not 1 at all. Look at this. -3 -5 -2. The answer is -5. You see that? When signs are the same, add and keep the sign. You did this in primary school. So you must add 3 plus 2. And what is the sign in front of it? Both the signs are the same. You add and keep sign. So here to be minus what? 5. And here same thing. Excuse me. Y -2 and -2. What is the answer?
4, sir. -4.
-4, not 4. So here's -5, -2, -4, sorry. Then the next one, y is equal to -1, -2. What is the answer here?
-3, sir.
-3 or -3. Right, then here I put 0. Y is equal to 0 -2. What is the answer?
-2, sir.
-2. You see that? So here's -2. Then y is equal to 1 -2. Here it's 1. -1 actually. Then y is equal to 2 -2, which is equal to 0. So here is 0. Then lastly,
it's not negative.
Y is equal to 3 -2, which is equal to 1, positive 1. So now I have these points. These are the points that I'm going to plot. Let me just write them here. These are point. The first one is point what? Tell me the point.
-3, -5.
-3, -5. Then the other point is what? -2.
-4.
-4. The other point?
-1, -3.
-1, -3. Then here, the other point is 0 and -2. 0 and -2. And the other point there is this one, let me see, it's -1 here. So it will be 1 and -1. 1 and -1. Then the other point there is 2 is 0.
Yes.
2, then 0.
2, 0.
And the other one?
3, 1.
3, 1. So when you're plotting these points, you have to mark them on the Cartesian plane. So this one, you have to draw it like this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. So the points you start, when you are reading the point, you start with what? The x. So this is -3, -3, 5. It's here. The other point is -2,
-4.
-2 from x and -4 from y. So the point is here. If your points are not giving you a straight line, check your calculations. Don't just draw any zigzag line. Then the other point is -1. Yes, -1, -3. You see that these points are actually aligning themselves into a line. Then the point 0, 3. A point which starts with a 0 and then a number is a what? Y-intercept. That's what we said. It's cutting the y-axis, where the line cuts the y-axis. Then point 1 and -1. 1 and -1 is here. Then the other point is 2, 0. That's an x-intercept.
Because it's going into the x-axis.
It's cutting the x-axis. Then that's where the line cuts the x-axis. Then the other point 3, 1. 3 and 1. It's here. Are you seeing that they're actually aligning themselves into a straight line? Do you see that?
Sir.
Then use a scale. Don't use anything which is not a scale. Use a scale or a ruler to draw your line. Make sure your ruler is on all the points, is passing through all those points. Don't miss out any. Then you draw a full line. Don't just draw a line joining those points. Fill the whole graph paper, because they might ask you something somewhere down the line there. All right. This is not passing through. Let me just do it again. My ruler is not. All right, let me try again. Use it. That's why you have to use a pencil. You see the mistake that I made? Here the ink, I can rub it. But in real world, you can't rub ink, isn't it?
You have to use only pencil, sir?
Yes, you have to use pencil, because if you make a mistake, how are you going to rub? Me, I'm rubbing because this is software. Okay? All right, so this is label your equation. This is equation y is equal to?
Y equals to
x minus 2.
Oh.
Isn't it? That's the line, x minus 2. Okay, now they are asking here, find the coordinates of the y-intercept. What are the coordinates of the y-intercept?
It's a 0. No, sorry, 2, 0.
Starts with 0. A y-intercept starts with 0. You're correct.
Oh.
This point here, what are the coordinates of that point?
0, -2.
0, -2. So this is point 0, -2. So this is your what? Your y-intercept.
Why is it 0, by the way, sir?
Because x is 0 here. What is the value of x here on this point? It's 0.
No, like in the first question you asked me, the one that's like for the x-axis, the x-intercept.
It's 2. We start with always, our coordinate starts with is there in the form xy. So here, what is the value of x? Is 2. And what is the value of y? I mean of x is 2. So the y-intercept, I mean the x-intercept, it starts with a number. So it will be, this point is x-intercept. This is y-intercept. Okay.
So this is 2 0, sir?
Yes. X-intercept we were not asked, but it's 2 0, yes.
Oh,
X-intercept. But the question is asking what? Find the coordinates of the y-intercept. So what is the answer here? Tell me the answer.
Negative 0, negative 2.
Yes, 0 and negative what? 2. Y-intercept starts with 0. You understood, Mr. Selson?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's it. So can you try it? You should try it on your own. Try this equation. You can try this equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Try it and you draw it straight.
Sir, in the exam, will we have to like do all this calculation?
Yes, you have to do all those calculations. Where are you going to get the values?
Okay, sir.
Show us that you know what you're doing. That's the idea. Show the calculations, fill in the table. So there are marks for the table, and there are marks for the graph, and marks for the y-intercept. Look at this, there are 6 marks.
Okay, sir.
It's a lot of work, but if you practice, you can get it. At 4, at 5, we'll discuss the same thing. I'll give you another equation, maybe like that one. And then we'll try it out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, goodbye.
Have a good day, sir.
Same to you. Practice, please. This time must get good marks without being helped or assisted. Get good marks. Section A, you must get full marks. Once you get full marks there, it means you have passed. Revise all those worksheets. You saw them, the ones that I saw sent you with answers and everything. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, one more thing, sir.
Yes.
Today I thought it was actually 11 because you said 11 o'clock will be the extra class. So I woke up at 10 and I joined 11.
Yeah, but I called your parent also.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did. I don't know whether their number is working or not, but it looks like the number is not working.
Oh, okay, sir.
So right now we are saying 5. You must join in 5. Okay.
5, exactly 5, right, sir?
Yes, 5 o'clock.
Okay.
5 is not. Is it not prayer time?
I think prayer time starts at like 3 and 6. I think.
These boys, they said 5 o'clock. I don't know. Let me check the prayer timings.
Because I'm Christian, sir. I'm not Muslim.
Yeah, but sometimes we are in a Muslim country. You need to at least know what's happening.
Okay, sir. I'll see you later, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.